Hiya, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. Another week of savings challenges. Hope you're all well, I really do. And I'd like to say thank you to my new subscribers and also my returning ones. Thank you so much. Right, £140 I have this week. No side hustles are in yet, and any other little extra change going about, it is still the 140. So I'll just quickly count that up for you. 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. I have been doing a lot of crafting. I've got a new crafting channel that I've just been dedicating myself to my crafting and doing things that makes me happy. There is a couple of new savings challenges here and I'm looking forward to starting them. And you know that I do the savings challenges on alternate weeks. Right, so let's get started. I will start with Bag a Book and I want to put £10 in today. I'm trying to use up my Tombos because they're drying out. So I will just colour these when I'm sitting having a cup of tea. So that's, it's £2 a book, so it's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So I will colour up to here. And I will put £10 in for Bag a Book. This is from Frugality's Life. I'm not quite sure if she still got it on her Etsy shop, but I do believe she does. So I will leave everyone's link that I mentioned and you can pop over and have a look and see what they have. Right, so autumn. Now I will be putting £10 into autumn. This is the £90 one and I have the £10 one that's completed, the £45 one that's completed, and I have the £90 that I'm working on at the moment. And it's exciting because they're nearly finishing up, so I'll just give that a scratch so I know that I'm going to colour that in, and I'll put £10 in for that. And I've got the 80 puzzle piece and that will give me £80. I will do 20 today and I will colour that in again off camera, so I'll get that done so I know. And then the rainy day Wellington boots, the wellies. I'm on the £100 one and each welly is £5, so I'll do a pair today which will bring it up to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 pounds it will bring it up to, so I'll just mark that off so I know. And I said £10, didn't I? There we go. We've had quite a lot of rain in London actually. It's seemed to have calmed down now for the past day or so. But yeah, we had quite a few days of rain. Right, the 2024, save 2024 in 2024. Oh, first of all, I forgot to say these savings challenges, the autumn puzzle piece and the rainy wellies, are all from One Frugal Introvert. I will also link her Etsy shop and her YouTube channel as well in the description below. Right, I had fun doing this one last year. Save 2023 in 2023. It was amazing. I loved it. And I have decided to do it again. Save 2024 in 2024. And this is from Magdalene Budgets. Again, I will leave everybody's details in the description below. Now let me see what I'm doing today for this one. Let's see what we've got here. We've got 20, 40. I'm going to put £50 in today, just so I know I will colour that in. So we've got £50 in today, and I will mark when I started it. I am so excited. I'm looking forward to finishing this one. Is this the biggest one I'm doing? I think so, yeah. So that's £50. So we're off to a great start with that one. And the fruit and veg is from Frugality is Life. And I am a non-meat eater. I eat a lot of fruits and a lot of veg. So I'm going to do, let's see what we've got. We've got 10, 20, 30, 40. So if I do 15, 3 of each, that will bring it up to 30. And I will do that. I will do the peas in green, so I know the green peas, and I will do the apples in red. Let's get a red and do the apples. Shall I do the apples in red or green? Have I got a lighter green? Let's have a look. Do you think I can get away with the lime green? No. I like red apples, so I'll do the apples in red. And we will count that up. So that's 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. And they're in one envelope because they're together. And I'm making good use of my washi tapes as well. I've been labeling up all the wallets with washi tape, as you can see, because, you know, I just have so much, I just thought I'd use them up. Right, and we have £10 rollover. That's exciting. Very exciting. And that is that for another week. I really hope that your savings are going really well. And I hope the new year has started off really, really well for you. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Don't forget to comment and share my videos. Thanks very much. Take care. See you back soon.